how to enable multitasking on iPhone. You can see guys, I am able to use two browsers at once. You want to just do like this. Here you first go to your setting. Now make sure that you are up to date with iOS 18 or latest version on your iPhone. So here you can see, now here just go to your settings and go to general. Here you can find the software update. Here can see, just go to the software update. Now here you need to just make sure that to up to date with iOS 18. So here can see, now let me just update it to iOS 18 and go back. And here you can see, now after that officially there is no anyway in no to do multitasking. So here you need just use the alternate method in order to do that. Here need go to App Store and go to search bar. Now here need for search for split screen and you can see that apps. Here you can see, now just install this application in device and open it. Now like this way you can do multitasking on your iPhone. So you can see guys, I am able to use two browsers at once, and that's it. How you can split screen on your iPhone and unlock multitasking features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other tricks to share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.